Question 9. Question 9 here says, which part of the plant is best suited for making virus-free plant and why? So the tip of the plant is used to make virus-free plants because the tip will have meristematic tissue. Let's see the answer. Apical and axillary meristem are the best suited parts of plant for the production of virus-free plants. Apical is what? The tip. Apical and axillary meristem are the best suitable parts of the plant for the production of virus-free plant. Why? Because viruses do not infect apical and axillary meristem due to the absence of vascular tissue in them through which viruses are transported. So apical and axillary meristem will not have vascular system and thus they will not be infected with the virus. Okay students, easy. Remember, apical and axillary meristem because it does not have vascular system and thus viruses will not infect them and thus they are used to develop virus-free plants. This is your answer number 9.